All right, boys. Now I have a install video finally for the channel, and yeah, it's in this small little box right here. I have everything already open. I was checking the item before, before I opened the box and then recorded this video. So, what I have for you today is an install. Yeah, right here you can see this is a sport pedal for the Hyundai Sonata. That is the gas pedal, and then this is the brake cover pad, whatever. I'm gonna try to get a little detailed, but it is dark in this car. As you can see, it's kind of dark back there. Yeah. Well, no, there's a gas pedal. But yeah, I'm gonna try to set up my camera because this is a phone. Somewhere I might even try to turn on my flash so I can damn, look at me. There we go. I'm gonna try to turn on my flash so I can get better lighting. But yeah, let's go ahead and jump right up into this. Yeah. Okay, so if at any point, damn, this is dark. Fuck, let me see if I can turn my and I cannot turn my flash on. Shit. Well, that's gonna fucking suck. If at any point this gets out of hand or I can't basically show you what I did, then I will just give overviews, small little overviews and clips of what needs to be done. But I have everything set up, so let me bring it over here. I got my tools right here. You're probably gonna need gloves depending on the brake pedal, because behind it is metal. Behind this cover is metal, so you don't want to cut yourself. But yeah, I got sport pedals behind me. And yeah, first you're going to have two, god fucking damn, well, can't really see it, but there is a 10mm bolt right here, and then you can see that one, a 10mm bolt right here. There's only two, so it's pretty simple. You know what, it's too dark. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, so now that you have I got both of the bolts out, go ahead and set those to the side because you're gonna need them. Yeah, this should be able to be taken out. Down here, it's just a matter of pulling up and to your left. There you go. Just because there is a plastic clipping part right here that goes into this hole. Wish it would focus. Maybe, no, that didn't even help. All right, so back here you have I can't fucking see myself, but there is a part, well, a plug that clips in back here, right here. You're just going to push on both sides, and then, fuck, I can't do that. Yeah, you gotta push on both sides, and there you go. Let me try to pull it up. This is the plug, and it was connected. To the light, was connected back there. But here is the fuck. This is blown out. This is the stock gas pedal. Nothing major. So what I'm gonna do, you take the sport one, and you're just gonna position it in the same exact area as the previous one. What you want to do first is plug it back in. So okay, so yeah, so after you plug it back in, what you're gonna do is just put it back in the same placement as the previous pedal. I'd say installation for that is like a easy ass one. Oh god, okay. And then yeah, so onto the brake pedal. There is nothing serious about this one. It is rubber, so you're just gonna pull on this big side, which is on the right hand side. Pull it back like this, and then just pull off the cover. That's all it is. And then what you can do take the sport one, and like I said, it's just a cover. So once you position it right, all it's gonna do is clip into place. God damn it. Okay, hold on. Fuck. Alright. Alright, so here's that. And then there you go. It is clipped in. Okay. Now, what I ordered was straight from Hyundai, and basically, I did not get the sport pad that goes right here. This is nothing. All you gotta do is peel the plastic off your OEM cover, and then this comes back for that. It's just a part of the carpet, and yeah, this whole installation is basically, it's very basic. So yeah, but I got the sport model, not the sport 2.0, and so it didn't come with these pedals. Good thing is I had a credit at Hyundai for mishap with finance, and hold on, yeah, so I had a credit that I used towards these parts. They're fairly inexpensive, and yeah, they make the car look nicer. I know that. I mean, you'll see it, but I mean, everybody else outside won't see it. So do this for yourself. But that will conclude this installation. Like I said, very easy and straightforward. Yeah, but enough of rambling. I'm probably going to get to the next video, and yeah, you will see that shortly. So I'm gonna put my tools away real quick, and yeah, I will catch you guys later. Make sure you follow me on social media. I will try to have that in the description. Go ahead and like the video, and yeah, I will see you guys later. All right.